guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. My name is Paige Sechler if you're new here. Today's video is a haul of my, or an unboxing I should say, not really a haul. I was out on my porch this morning, you know, and I'm just not sure what's happening. My headband really looked cute like with my shirt, but like it just isn't looking right. And then my hair was really curly, and so we're just gonna kind of ignore that. I'm gonna try not to touch it too much, but I just can't promise that, you know. And let's get into it. Also, what do we, also, what do you think about this background? I literally film every single video here, which isn't really that different, I guess, from before, because I feel like I'm always like filming here though, but I guess I always used to film at the same place before I made this little setup, so I don't know. Anyway, just opened her up, so I literally just cut the tape. I haven't ever opened it before. That's what we're looking like on the inside. Lift our little film up. We got a lot of stuff in here. I always get those emails like, oh, do you want to add this on? Oh, do you want to add that on? And I'm like, yes. And then I don't remember what I add on. We have a little card that says, make waves. Summer is more than a season. It's a state of mind. You deserve to rock that neon liner, swipe on the bright gloss, and go full on bold for you. Break your beauty rut and create a splash. Get the 101 on your products. Head to Ipsy, and then it's just a little card. Little card that came in with them. Oh. And then they just have some, here comes the sun, like SPF tips. That's cute. Under that, this is what we're looking like. So we have, oh, sis. We have the Huda Beauty Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator in black. I don't know if she has other colors, but I've heard really good things about this sponge. Oh yeah, super, super excited. I actually need a new sponge anyway. It was on my list to get it tomorrow when I go to the grocery store. So you can see it has like the straight edge. That's gonna be so nice for like blending out like right under the eye. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, next we have the Hey Honey Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask to exfoliate and lift away impurities and drama. Sis, I'm back to work now. I'm gonna need this every single night. I like the packaging, that's cute. Let's see what the inside looks like. Oops, sorry. This is a 10 to 15 minute facial that's been crafted for signs of tired, stressed skin. It's supposed to help smooth and make your skin more radiant. I don't really know what other people do in these videos. I've never made one before. That smells good. I think I said it was a peel off, right? Okay, I'm just gonna like let that set on my hand while we like go through the rest of the stuff, because I'll probably do this after I shower tonight. Next is the Fresh Herb Origin Eye Cream. Oh, this was the brand Hey Honey. I don't know if I said that. But this is the brand Nacific, and this is the Fresh Herb Original Eye Cream. This is what the packaging looks like, and sorry, I can't open this while it's up there. This has a sticker. Seriously, why can't I function like a normal person? Wow, that's like a full-size product. I think I might have added this on, I don't know. This is for brightening and hydrating your under eye. So let's see what it feels like. This says it's good for morning and night. A pea-size amount. Oh wow, that's really soft. That smells good. I've been like all about skincare. Like I mean, I have like no face makeup on today really. I think I put a little bit of blush on my cheeks and some mascara, but look, I've been really just into like having good skin, trying to anyway. I still have to wear a mask to work, but so that's been making me break out. But I've just been focusing more on my skincare rather than my makeup, and it has made all the difference. So I'm excited to use this too. It pops up again. Am I the only one that does that? Like after they open them, you just stick them back in the box? I don't know why, but I do. Who knows? Okay. Next thing is the Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science No More Pores Luminizing Primer. Gives a natural looking backlight glow, revives dull complexions, help refines the look of pores. So I think I've heard of this. I know the window's kind of there, but it's Dr. Brandt's, yeah, illuminating primer. I don't know if I added this on. I've heard that his pore primer is like the game changer. So I'm just gonna do a little bit, put a little drop here on my hand. I'm just gonna smear this in. Oh my gosh, even that smells amazing. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I don't notice a huge difference, but it is just on my hand. I will give it a shot, but I mean, it feels nice. It isn't real tacky. It's more of like a, feels like you have lotion on feeling on my hand. But I'm excited to try this. Put that back in there. And the last thing other than our little baggie is this eyeliner. And this is the brand Araceli, I don't know. Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner. That is the brand. That's what I was trying to say. This is the top. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna be obsessed with this. I was just like testing like the ways to like make different lines and like flick your ends and stuff, and like I think this might be a game changer. So I'm like an avid like Kat Von D liquid liner girl. If I wear, well actually that's not true. I've been using the Stylist Stay all day, but I don't really wear eyeliner either. But when I do, like, hold on, it's okay. Like look at those flicks. Look how tiny I could get these lines here. Do you see that? Like in the ends of these, like that is like banging. Very impressed. Very impressed with that. I just got this package in the mail this morning. My video is going up like today as you're seeing this, but I'm not flipping it over because my address is on it. But I got these packages in the mail today. Obviously that one's from Ipsy. They're both from Ipsy. And there was more stuff in it. I've never had this happen where like all of my stuff wasn't in my initial like kit that I got, or my initial thing. So before I upload it, I just wanted to show you guys the rest of the stuff I got. The camera's not on me because I just woke up and this video is going live, so I have to re-edit it quickly. But this is just the Wander Nude Illusion Foundation, and this is in the shade medium. Hoping this matches. I also don't wear foundation often, but there's that. I got two brushes. Let's see this one. Also, I'm holding my camera up. That's why I'm just using one hand. But this is like a very small dome-shaped one. This is from Moda Pro. I think this might actually be a really pretty highlight brush. And then this is like a contour brush from Shania B. But they're both super soft, super soft. I'm gonna take these things out of their package quick. Okay, got them out of the packaging. So we have the Morphe 8L Lo-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer, and this is beautiful. That is so pretty. I'm excited to swatch them. If this was regular video time, I would, but I only have one hand. I'm really excited to test these out. Got that, and then two blushes. So this is the brand Dome. Again, I wish I could swatch these. I apologize. The shade English Rose. This is pretty. I added these on. I've been on the hunt for a blush, a good blush. And this one is like a lighter peachy one. It's like a light peach color. The brand is Lovecraft Beauty. The shade is Dolphin. Why isn't this on it? How am I supposed to remember? I'm not going to keep it in that. Anyway, this is the shade for reference. So, okay. Just wanted to throw that in quick. Last thing is our cute little Ipsy monthly bag. And this one is cute girls of all sizes. Dark skin, light skin, blue hair, light hair, black hair. All kinds. Yeah, I love that. Good little swimmer girls. I guess I can show you the side with this. That's cute. Very cute. Alright, Ipsy, 10 out of 10 this month. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that little bell to be notified every time I upload.